Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a good day. I do have to explain, I'm wearing a robe. I'm wearing actually a pajama set. It's Betsy Johnson with little bunnies on it. Oh dear, I definitely got lip gloss in my hair. It's okay, I'm washing it tomorrow. So I am having kind of a bad day and it just dawned on me that maybe some of you guys are having a bad day and I wanted to film something uplifting and do fun makeup. So I am unboxing a mystery bag today. It's from Haus, Lady Gaga's brand. I cannot find the details on this anywhere online. It's not available anymore, so I'm sorry about that. But I'm going to give you guys an idea if they happen to do this again in the future. So Haus had a mystery bag. I ordered this. It came here pretty quick, and all I can remember is that I spent $35 on this. It was like $43 after tax and shipping, but $35, and you're guaranteed to get the full-size eyeliner and then 3 other items. And the only thing I've tried from Haus is lip gloss. So I was like, well, I love the lip gloss. I haven't tried much else, so let me just try this and hopefully get a few products that I like. So it does come in this bag, of course, which is included. It looks like little confetti foil, like confetti pieces in here, and it has a double snap closure. It's pretty cute. It's definitely like a sturdier item. I guess this is what I'm looking for. This is the matte liquid eyeliner in Punk, which I'm guessing is the black, because I think that's what it showed, as a picture of just like their black liner. And here is what it looks like. There's the liner. It is a felt tip. It's kind of a longer felt tip. Ooh, it is super freaking black, that's for sure. Here lately, I've definitely been into brush tip liquid liners more than felt tip. But you know what? It's been a hot minute, and I am really looking to try and find some more liners that I love, because I'm so picky, and then even the ones that I love, then after a while I'm like, okay, I don't love it anymore. I don't know what my problem is. So yeah, this is the liquid eyeliner, like the lion, matter than matte liquid eyeliner. It looks super, super dark, so I'm excited about that so far. We'll see how it does when it dries down. We also got the Le Monster matte lip crayon in Wine Mouth, which I'm assuming is going to be a wine shade. I don't know. I have been wanting to try these pencils just because I thought it was really cute. So I love the packaging, like it's different. It's flat on one end and then tapered. Looks pretty cute. And then this end is your pencil. So it's like a double pointed looking, and I love that it has the little tip with the color. I would totally store these just like upright with the tips up so I could see the shades. Oh, that's pretty. It's like a deeper nude. I was expecting like a deeper wine shade, but this is actually very wearable. It's kind of like a deep brown rose. I don't even know how to describe that, but it's really pretty. I'm excited for that. We also got the Glam Attack in the shade Chains, all over metallic cream. I'm not, ugh! It came out like really thick. You can see it's like got that glob on the end there. Oh, it feels very smooth. Okay. It doesn't feel bad. I mean, sometimes it just pulls out more product. I was expecting like, oh, maybe this is a thick one, but it actually feels quite nice. This is not a shade that honestly I would probably wear. I just don't like metallics. I've gotten rid of most of my metallics, and this on my lips, I just can't really picture it, but maybe, I don't know, paired with something, mixed with something, who knows. It's pretty. Like if you like that type of a bronzy type of lip, it's definitely very pretty. I may have to try it and just see what it looks like. Now the last item, Haus Guest Face Lace by Phyllis Cohen. So I guess this is like a collab kind of deal, or they, you know, worked with somebody else. Face Lace. This is the Armor Wingtips #1. You know, I think I saw these when their brand launched or whenever these came out. So they're actually like little tips that you can put on for your eyeliner, which, I mean, it's a cool concept. I think the reason they call it armor is because it kind of looks like some type of like black armor. It's not flat black, and it looks like some of them are a little bit different shapes. I just don't know how I would feel about this. I have my days with liquid liner where it doesn't work, so I get it. Like if it's tough, I totally get it. I'll have to try these and just see, because I'm not sure how I feel about that. I guess if you're someone who really struggles with wings, or you don't normally wear them, you just want to wear like one every now and then, and it's honestly not worth all the practice that it takes, then maybe I can see this. I don't know. I'll have to try it and just see what I think about that. But they're definitely interesting. Like it's a concept for sure. I think it's cool. So I'm definitely more excited for the liner and this lip. I'll check the full prices of these to see. So the liquid liner is normally $20 and the matte lip crayon is $18. So I paid about as much as I would pay for these two items, and then I got the other two. Honestly, I don't really see myself like using those for real. I don't see them becoming like a favorite or anything just because they're not my style. So I basically got what I paid for. I'm not mad at it. I am not one to get like pissy with mystery boxes. I've done them, I know how they go, so I'm just, you know, I'm excited to get a couple things that I like, and I'm able to try some of their products, so not too bad. I didn't spend a whole lot. You know what, I knew this, and I'm so stupid. This is for eyes. When I looked at it, I just saw metallic cream, and I don't know why my mind just went to lips, but it's for eyes. So I'm actually pretty fucking excited about this now, because I love a basic bronze eye. Like, I don't like browns, but something about bronze, I went through that phase where all I wanted was these like copper, bronze, gold, and I loved it. I still love it. So I'll actually really use this, and my bad. So now that I've got that straightened out, I'm actually pretty stoked with everything apart from the little wingtips, but that's fine. So I'm so sorry. This is $22. There are 4 shades, and I got the shade Chains, which is a metallic bronze. I mean, I'm glad I said it right, you know? Liner's not budging. Got a little transfer of the eye and a little transfer of the lip, but what I would expect. This is $22. So now I feel like I've really gotten my money's worth and then some. Eye Armor Kit. Oh, okay. So if you buy the kit, you get the actual liner and the tips for $35. So about $15 value right here. And I will try these out. We're gonna see how they do. And you know, I'll see if it's something that helps me out a lot. Who knows? So in that case, I think we got our money's worth, and I'm not mad at all. 3 good items and 1, you know, to test out. Oh, I hope y'all could see my lip literally like melting onto my face. It's whatever. I put on this heavy gloss because I wanted it to be like high shine in my pictures, and the gloss did not agree. It was like, oh, we'll just drip. Okay, so anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little mystery unboxing. If you see any others that you'd like for me to pick up, go ahead and DM me on Instagram and I will look into them. I love mystery boxes. They're fun and lighthearted, and hopefully you guys like them. So thank you so much. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you enjoy, and of course be sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on. That would mean the world to me, and I will see you guys very soon in my next one. Bye guys.